Hey guys, quick video right here. So my Celica 2000 GT, the turn signal of the passenger side wasn't working, and I found out that you come here and there is a 10mm bolt right here. Take it off, pull it back, and I just pull this back, and that cable right here, this one, was disconnected, as well as this. I connected and it started working, so that might be the issue. I don't know. I tried different bolts, tried to look for the relay, and I didn't find it, so I came here and found out this was disconnected. Maybe this video help you out. Thank you for watching.